Apples have always been a popular fruit. But the red delicious apple stands out as a distinct and valued type. In this video, we'll look at what makes this apple unique, as well as its health benefits. The red delicious apple is distinguished by its bright red skin and elongated shape, with a 5-pointed crown on the bottom. This apple cultivar is juicy, crisp, and somewhat sweet, making it a popular snack and cooking apple. But what makes red delicious apples unique? One of the reasons for this is their high shelf life. When stored properly, these apples will keep for up to 6 months, making them an excellent choice for individuals who want to stock up on fruit. The red delicious apples are very versatile, as they can be used in salads, pies, and sauces. They offer a touch of sweetness and crunch to any recipe, making them popular with both chefs and home cooks. In terms of health benefits, red delicious apples are high in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and lowering the risk of heart disease. They also include antioxidants, which assist to protect the body from free radical damage. But is the red delicious apple better for you than a green apple? While both varieties of apples are healthful, red delicious apples have more antioxidants and fiber than green apples. However, the nutritional content of an apple will vary depending on its size and ripeness. Finally, red delicious apples are not only tasty but also full of health advantages. These apples are a terrific addition to any diet, whether you consume them as a snack or use them in your cooking. So, did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational shorts like this one.